Hi guys, it's Angry Admin here from angrysysops.com, and today I will tell you about the gift from vExpert and Intel. Yesterday I received the small box, as you can see on the video, and let's see what's in the box.
I would like to say thank you to vExpert program and to Intel for this opportunity to test those drives. I feel very humbled that I was chosen among other 60 vExperts. I never thought I'd be chosen in my wildest dreams. However, I was, and I am very thankful for that. And especially I want to thank you to Matt Mancini for organizing that amazing opportunity. I will tell you more about a vExpert program and why you should apply somewhere in this video, so don't scroll it, watch in full, leave a like and subscribe. That will help grow my presence in social media. Thank you very much.
Inside the box it was not one, not two, not three, but 10 Intel SSD Optane drives. Each of them is 280 gigabytes. So altogether I got almost 3 terabytes of storage. You must be wondering why I am so excited about this product, as in July of 2022 Intel announced their intention to wind down the Optane business. However, this is true. The production won't stop until 2025. Optane is still a product and will continue to be a product until at least the end of 2025. And even if you buy the disk on the very last day of its availability, you will still get a 5-year warranty. The obvious question is, what makes Intel Optane SSD different? And the answer is transistor-less technology, which refers to the fact that Intel Optane SSDs do not use transistors to store data. Unlike traditional NAND-based SSDs, instead they use a technology called 3D Expoint, which is a type of non-volatile memory that stores data in a 3-dimensional array of memory cells. Each memory cell in a 3D Expoint memory can store 1 bit of data, but because it doesn't use transistors, it can be more dense, faster and more durable than traditional NAND memory. This makes Optane SSD more suitable for high performance and high endurance applications like data centers, enterprise storage and high performance computing. As for VMware environment, Optane can be used as a cache tier in a vSAN. vSAN uses local storage on each host to create a shared storage pool for virtual machines. By adding Optane as a cache tier, vSAN can use the high performance and low latency of Optane to accelerate read and write operation to the shared storage pool. In a vSAN deployment with Optane, the Optane devices are used as read and write cache, working together with the capacity tier, which is usually made of slower, higher capacity drives like HDD or SATA SSDs. This allows vSAN to handle a high number of IOPS and low latencies, and also improves the overall performance of the storage infrastructure. Optane can also be used as a capacity tier in vSAN, which allows vSAN to store more data on fewer devices and thus reducing a total number of disks needed. This reduces the total cost of ownership for storage and also increases storage density in the cluster. I can give you a few examples of companies or organizations that have successfully implemented Intel Optane SSDs in their storage infrastructure, and one of them is CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. They are using Optane SSDs in their data center to store and process the massive amount of data gathered by the Large Hadron Collider. The high performance and low latency of Optane allows CERN to quickly access and analyze the data, which is crucial for their research. The National Center of Supercomputing Applications at the University of Illinois use Optane SSDs in their high-performance computing environment to accelerate data access and improve the overall performance of their supercomputers. The China National Nuclear Corporation, CNNC, uses Optane SSDs in their data center to support their nuclear power research and development. The high durability and low power consumption of Optane SSDs helps CNNCs to reduce their overall operation costs. And the last example of my list is the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. They using Optane SSDs as a cache tier in their vSAN infrastructure to improve the performance and efficiency of the virtualized storage environment. So this is a very interesting product, and this is a Formula One in the drives and the storage space. This is the super fast premium drive. So even though the production will stop in a few years, it's still worth to get one, and I will be testing those drives soon as I will get my new equipment. As I mentioned on the beginning of that video, I received those drives as one of the perks being a vExpert. What is vExpert? The VMware vExpert program is an exclusive global program designed to recognize and reward the most active and knowledgeable members of the VMware community. The program provides access to exclusive resources, trainings, and recognitions opportunities. To all of those who have demonstrated significant commitment to sharing their knowledge and expertise with others. The experts are recognized for their contribution to the community. It includes writing articles and blog posts, speaking at events, and contributing to open source projects. The program is open to anyone, and it is not tied to any specific job title or company size. Now there's a good news. The applications are still open and you have 10 days to apply. The applications closed at 27. If you have any questions how to apply, or you need any advice on applying or this process itself, please get in touch with me via Twitter. My handle is @AngrySysops. Read my blog and please like and subscribe this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.